Salamin pala siya. It's nice. It's nice. You look, wow. Di ba you love mountains? Look over there.
Wow! It's amazing!
It's amazing. Ayun o, may mga pig. Oh, ayun o. You see the pig?
Yes, yes!
Don't shout. You can speak naman na, no?
Yes!
Huwag kang mag-shout. You don't need to shout.
It's so high.
Mataas talaga. Oh, you look at here, Meg. Meg, look at here. Whoa! Ah? Pala dito. Ito naka-number. Ayan o, may mga piglets. Oh, may reindeer, Meg. Oh. May reindeer, you know. Meg, oh, reindeer. Oh.
I want the guy.
No, it's not allowed.
Why?
Wow, tignan mo yung piglets doon, oh, Meg. Mega, ayan ang piglets. Oh. Tara, baba tayo. Dito, baba tayo. Tignan natin. Dito. Wow. You happy?
And the babies and the mommy. Whoa.
Gently. Oo, pigs.
And the reindeer. And where can you see the reindeer? Oh, over there. Over
Ito may go reindeer.
more. I can't see anything.
You don't see anything here. Oh, the eagle. Ito, eagle. Oh.
Wow. Wow. Oh no, we're in the slide.
It's not allowed to touch. It's not allowed to touch.
Hi, eagle. But I can touch it. I want to touch your reindeer.
No. Oh, tara, let's go. It's hot na.
Okay. Let's go back eating food. This looks like stairs.
The reindeer, oh. It's a reindeer,
Hi,
man.
reindeer. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Look at the mountains, man. Well, let's go back to daddy na. Lagi.
Hello guys, dito kami sa Baguio. Guys, dito kami sa Baguio ngayon. Kapit ang ligid sa Baguio.
And a strawberry toy.
Yeah, you show your
Show your strawberry.
It looks like a costume.
Yeah. So guys, dito ang sarap mag-breakfast dito. Nag-nature breakfast kami guys. Hotdog.
Wow.
You
No, you put it.
You have to make you're in the, ano? You're in the mountain. Ito pong mountain of, ano? Of
I see the building.
Eh guys, kalamig dito sa Baguio guys, grabe oh. Oh, mga pine tree oh. Dito kami sa Baguio.
And strawberry.
Yeah. Bakit may strawberry mo? May strawberry oh. 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 Grabe, kalamig oh. Mountain talaga. Oh, ito kami sa ano.